Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Driver Foundation using high CPU usage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart your computer. And how would you do that? So right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is to update the drivers. And how do we do that? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and select Advanced Options. Select Optional Updates and install them. Then return to the Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates. The next solution is to scan for malware. And how will we do that? Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on Next, choose Full Scan, click on Next, and let it run through. The last solution is a clean boot. Search for system configuration and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.